My story is like a lot of people here. I was sick for over 4 years. I ultimately found out that I had had 2 kinds of pneumonia. I had gone to the Mayo Clinic because I coughed so badly I couldn't speak, I couldn't function. And the Mayo Clinic did not draw blood, they did not do anything, sent me home telling me that I should take some speech lessons. That was very discouraging because, of course, I was still sick and I had terrible chronic fatigue. I had a lot of autoimmune problems, the worst of which was PMR, Polymyalgia Rheumatica, which rendered the use of my legs immobile. I could hardly walk, I couldn't get out of a chair. Resulting from those symptoms, I was given a lot of oral antibiotics and steroids, and which just exacerbated the whole situation. The fatigue got so bad that I was spending hours in bed. On our way to Yuma this year, I told my husband I felt like I was dying. He got on the computer when we got to Yuma, and he put in all my symptoms and said, "Come and look at this, it looks like Lyme." So my husband, who is a farmer, diagnosed me after going to about 20 doctors. My husband got on his phone and Envita just popped up, just like he had some angel sitting on his shoulder. So we started researching Envita and immediately got on the phone and set up a time to come down here. Best thing that ever happened to me. I had read and had seen the webinars about Envita, and there was no other place where the doctors had 15 years of experience in just with the Lyme and the co-infections and healing people instead of just treating symptoms, which does not work. And so I was hopeful coming here. It was delightful, my first appointment with Dr. Lee. My husband and I were both here, and we got on a personal basis. He got to know me, he got to know us, the dynamic of how I felt and what had been gone on previously, and he was willing to answer any questions. I had 2 kinds of pneumonia and every co-infection, and the Epstein-Barr had come back, and several things that had been in my body for years that the Lyme allows back in. He said I was very sick, but by the time the Lyme diagnosis came in, he said I was very, very sick. Well, obviously I came in feeling really lousy, weighing an extra 30 pounds because of the prednisone that I had taken. There were times when I despaired. It was very difficult. But after the first month, I started feeling better, and it just got better and better and better. And I started feeling so much better. The chronic fatigue has disappeared. The tremors in my hands have disappeared. I had been diagnosed with Parkinson's. Symptoms of the pneumonia, I mean, the fast breathing, the sweating, the coughing, everything, that's disappeared. My mentality before was almost suicidal because I just couldn't take being sick anymore. I'm so happy I don't even recognize the feeling. I thank God and I thank Envita. If you're sick with Lyme or any of the co-infections, I think this is the only place to come. I'm not paid to say that. The doctors are so excellent, and they have dedicated their careers to this terrible disease, which kills. I really think that Envita did save my life. I have my life now.